have just found a 4-leaf clover. It's a bit battered, but it's definitely 4 leaves, look. Look at that.
Good morning everybody, hope you're all doing all right. We have had an exciting delivery this morning, our very own tower. Now it's a scaffolding tower and I cannot believe how excited I am about this. I have wanted one for ages. Now it just means that Lee can finish the edging on the side of the house. This is where we did the roof. We still have the edging to do, and because I didn't want Lee to go up there with a ladder, we've had to invest in this tower. So this is just amazing. It just means we can get so much more work done, so much more maintenance, and I don't have to worry about Lee being up the ladder. So it's absolutely fantastic.
I thought I would just show you the progress of my pumpkin seeds. Now I planted these about 3 weeks ago and they did germinate so quickly. I think it was like 2 days and they were popping up. And I really do love growing pumpkins because as soon as the seed germinates and you see that little, I say little, it's always like a large stem that comes up and it just looks so healthy. And you just know that you're going to get a good healthy plant and it's going to produce some really good pumpkins. And they're just so satisfying just to watch because every day they seem to grow. Every time you look at them, they seem to have sprouted up a bit more. But I have planted them on and I put them into larger pots and they've just done so well. Now these pumpkins that I'm growing is a smaller variety. It's not like the great big pumpkins you get. It's a smaller variety which has got like a higher sugar content in them. And I am growing them to eat them. So we're not doing it for Halloween. We're not doing it to pop outside the door or anything. We're actually going to eat them because I do like to make pumpkin soup, which is my favourite. So yeah, these are the seeds as you can see them now. And I'm hardening them off and I am going to put them in probably next weekend. I will put these in because they definitely look ready. They look healthy, they look happy, and they're definitely ready to go in the ground.
Good morning all. Well, this is a part of the drive which we really need to do some work on. It's basically been like a dumping ground for us for all the work that we've been doing on the house. So this originally pallet had for some plaster boards and also we've got some excess guttering and downpipes and stuff. And then we also bought this stable door which unfortunately was bending a little bit, so we tried to put some extra weight on it just to see if we could get it straight, but it's not worked. So we'll end up replacing this piece of wood and then install it in the house at some point. But it's all very neat and tidy. We've still got the tile crate over there, so we're going to dismantle that, move the crate here for the compost down in the bottom of the garden, so we'll put that over there. Just neaten this area up, weed the drive, just make this area look a little bit nicer than it was before. We've still got some of the windows up the end up here, which we'll take to the skip. They were originally a part of the house, can't use them anymore, so they'll go to the skip as well. But just try and make this area look a little bit neater and tidier, and then we can use the drive a bit more. See a flying bug. It doesn't want to come off now. Oh, there it is. Nearly run over it with the lawnmower, so nice and safe now.
It's not a moth, is it?
No, it's a beetle, isn't it?
Right, we are just out for a walk. We're at Lanhydrock in Bodmin, and we're in a Beagle group, and we're going to meet them now. So Arthur is going to meet lots of his friends.
Okay, after a lot of hard work, a lot of time, by the end of the evening I managed to clear all this area here. Obviously had all the pallets and everything else that was here, so we had all the pallets, crates, timber, rubble, mess and everything, so I'll give you a closer look at what it looks like now. So I've weeded all the area, taken up all of the guttering, old timber, removed the crates, removed everything apart from this section here which has got the glass in it. We filled up the car yesterday and took it to the skip, so not enough room for that, so that will be going in the next few days. But as you can see, this area looks a lot better. Just need to cut a bit of the grass at the edge here, but this whole area now is nice and usable. So looks a little bit neater. Makes me feel happier that it's all neat and tidy.
Right, we're in the car. We are going to Bude because there's a car boot on and the car boot season has started, and I just love a car boot sale. Love getting a bargain. And there's also a shop in Bude called Wildwood, and it's got lots of bohemian sort of bits and bobs, sort of pom-poms and all sorts of lovely stuff in there. So I need to go in there because I want to see if they've got a nice few bits for the conservatory. But I'm just waiting for Lee because he's lost his hat and definitely need a hat. So the weather is just sunny, then it's raining, then it's windy, then it's cold. So I've put a kind of a thin jumper on today, so hopefully, well, I've got an umbrella, definitely need to take an umbrella. And I've got some little wellies just to wear around the field, but I can hear him now, so hopefully he's found his hat. We'll see. Right, he's in the car now. Has he found his hat?
I found a hat.
A hat. Was it the hat that you wanted though?
It will keep the sun off my face. So.
Good. Lovely. Right, we can go now.
Yes.
Let's go. Sit. Good boy. Should we do a little haul of what we purchased?
So I've been to the car boot. So first thing we bought was this nice glass.
What is that called?
Is it hexagon?
Yeah, I don't know. I was going to say aquarium, but it's not an aquarium.
Yeah, we're not sure what to do, but we quite like it. We like it a lot. But yeah, it's for £1.
Yeah, we're going to put some little plants, I don't know, plants that like to be warm.
Soil, and then one of the plants could go in the bathroom, could go in the conservatory, could go...
It needs to be warm, so probably not the bathroom, but yeah, so we got that. Also, Lee spotted this bright orange little pot, so we're going to put that in the conservatory.
Also, we're looking for some bright coloured things to go in there. We don't want anything too plain, so
no.
So we had that.
And we've also got a red knitted blanket that was £2, so that was a bargain. Another thing that Lee spotted, I didn't actually spot anything, did I?
Oh no, you got these.
Oh no, I got this.
You got these.
Like a little dangly bell, with a little bell on the end. That will look lovely in the conservatory. And you got a...
Yeah, it fits onto a drill, but it's good for sanding, so I'll try that out, see if we can get rid of some of the 2 or 3 layers of paint that we've got on the beams in the kitchen, so something else to try.
Lee's gonna do that, so I've got a thumbs up to that.
So I'm going to set this up for Emma to have a go at.
No. Oh, right, we're going to go get some milk and then we're heading off home.